Today, we're diving into the world of gardening gloves, specifically focusing on a pair designed with women in mind, the Thorn-proof leather gardening gloves. These gloves are marketed as thorn-proof and suitable for various gardening tasks, boasting touchscreen compatibility and functionality as working gloves. Firstly, let's talk about the design. The gloves are crafted from durable leather, which immediately gives them a sturdy feel. This is essential for protection against thorns, sharp branches, and other potential hazards in the garden. The fit is snug yet comfortable, providing enough flexibility for handling tools and plants without feeling restrictive. One standout feature is the touchscreen compatibility. It's a thoughtful addition, allowing you to use your smartphone or tablet without needing to remove the gloves constantly. This can be quite convenient when you're in the midst of gardening and need to quickly check something online or take a call. In terms of performance, these gloves excel in protecting your hands from scratches and minor cuts. The leather material is thick enough to provide a barrier against most garden nuisances, yet not overly bulky. This balance makes them suitable for detailed tasks like pruning roses or handling delicate seedlings. Durability-wise, they seem well-made and capable of lasting through a gardening season or more with proper care. The stitching appears strong, and the leather shows resilience to wear and tear. Comfort is another area where these gloves shine. The interior feels soft against the skin, and the gloves are breathable enough to prevent excessive sweating during extended use. This is crucial for comfort, especially on warmer days spent outdoors. Overall, the thorn-proof leather gardening gloves for women are a solid choice for any female gardener looking for a blend of protection, functionality, and comfort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these gloves offer a reliable option to enhance your gardening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.